Let's learn I Can Dance Dance. It's choreographed by Hayley Wheatley and Jo Kinser. It is a 32 count, 4-wall absolute beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn I Can Dance Dance. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to place our right heel forward. Step your right next to your left, place your left heel forward. Step your left next to your right, place your right heel forward. Step your right next to your left, place your left heel forward. Step your left next to your right. So let's try that with some counts, doing your heels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to step our right foot to the right side. You're going to touch your left next to your right, and you're going to clap your hands. You're now going to step your left foot to the left side, touch your right next to your left, you're going to do a double clap. We're going to step our right foot back into the right back diagonal, touch your left next to your right and clap. You're now going to step your left foot back into the left back diagonal, touch your right next to your left and double clap. So let's try that with some counts. Stepping to the right, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to do a grapevine to the right and the left. So we're going to step our right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the right side, touch your left next to your right. We're now going to step our left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left, step your left foot to the left side, touch your right next to your left. Let's try it with some counts, doing your grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a right rocking chair. So we're going to rock forward on our right foot, recover back onto your left, rock back with your right foot, recover forward on your left. You're now going to step forward with your right foot, and we're going to do heel bounces that in total are going to make a quarter turn. We're going to end up doing 3 heel bounces to face 9 o'clock. So weight split between both feet. You're going to lift both heels up, bending your knees, and then recover. You should be at about the diagonal. We're going to do that again. Lift both heels, bend your knees. You're almost at the 9 o'clock wall. Do it one more time. Lift up your heels, bend your knees, put your weight on your left foot to face 9 o'clock, and then you're ready to start the dance all over again. Now the distance you travel on each of those heel bounces is kind of up to you. You just want to make sure that you use all 3 and put your weight on your left foot to end to face 9 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts, doing your rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And weight is on that left foot. Let's try it all the way through, one time with steps, one time with counts. So we're facing the front. Weight is on your left foot, starting with your heels. Heel step, heel step, heel step, heel step. Side touch clap, side touch double clap, back touch clap, back touch double clap. Grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left, rocking chair, rock forward, rock back, step, bounce, bounce weights left, facing 9 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your heels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's go around. We're going to do 4 walls of the dance. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your heels. Heel step, heel step, heel step, heel step. Side touch, back diagonal touch, back diagonal touch. Grapevine with a touch. Grapevine, now your rocking chair. And your step and bounce, step, bounce, bounce, bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel step, heel step, heel step, heel step. Side touch, back touch, back touch. Grapevine with a touch. Grapevine, now your rocking chair. And step your turning bounces. Now your heels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. and that is the whole dance. You'll dance all the way through to the end of the song. The dance does end facing your side wall after your first set of heels. I just leave my left heel out and I look over my right shoulder to end facing 12 o'clock, but that choice is yours. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn I Can Dance Dance. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.